What's up? This is Jim. We're gonna walk to the waterfall called Gocta. It's apparently we can actually see the waterfall there. That one. It is said the most beautiful waterfall in Peru, so I'm excited. I heard it's 5 kilometers, but it's gonna be up and down, but it's gonna be fine. Let's go.
Where did you learn English? How did you learn it?
Yeah, no, I don't speak it very well.
I study in the school first in English.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
but I'm study in Italy, not here.
Well,
Yeah, because my mother, now she was in Italy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Eucalipto.
You can actually take the horse if you want, like this. This is actually a really nice walk. You see the landscape, it's beautiful, and you can almost always see the waterfall over there. More like a jungle now. It's cool. We're here.
C'est comme un piscine naturelle. C'est pas que l'eau, c'est pas de l'eau, c'est comme une vapeur. Ouais, ça ressemble. All the layers, you know?
Yeah. Check this out. This is already amazing. Now we are very close, so we can only see this. But actually, there are more. It's like there's a first waterfall and a second waterfall. And this is the second part. So we can't really see the first one from here. But the information said, including everything, it's like 700 meters. It's hard to believe, but maybe it is true. So from the start area, it's 5 kilometers. You just have to take your pace and get here. It's not very steep, it's not very high altitude, so as you can see, there are a lot of people coming to see this waterfall. And it's not just waterfall, it's the surrounding environment is quite incredible as well. There's these rocks and everything. If you like the nature, it's totally worth it. So I just heard that this part is like more than 500 meters, and there's another part up there, and that's at more than 200 meters, so the total is about 770 meters. incredible. Like 700 meters.